Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Steam on your PC and navigating straight to Library. This gets you to the game settings quickly. Once there, find the title and right-click it to open Properties. Make sure you're on the correct account, so Settings apply. In Properties, you'll see tabs like General and Updates. Select Updates to begin changing auto-update behavior. Do this now so the next steps modify the right game rather than global defaults. Now you're in the Updates tab and you'll change the Automatic Updates option. Pick the setting that fits your needs. If you want manual control, choose Only Update when you launch it, which prevents background downloads. Once done, close the Properties window and optionally check Steam Settings Downloads to adjust global idle-only behavior. This ensures Steam doesn't pull updates at inconvenient times while keeping the game playable when you launch it. Finish by restarting Steam so your changes take effect across the client. If updates still occur unexpectedly, make sure you're not enrolled in a Steam beta channel or that Cloud Sync isn't forcing patches. Also check any game-specific launcher or anti-cheat that may independently update the game. If problems persist, clear Steam's download cache and repeat the properties step. That fixes most stubborn cases and gets you back to predictable update behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.